in the beginning, there was hyperspace, and hyperspace was filled with nothing, basically. But that's not entirely true. There was membranes in hyperspace, but I don't really know what I would be talking about if I were to talk about those, so we're just going to ignore that. There was a singularity found in hyperspace, which is the entire universe in a hot, dense state. Then, all of a sudden, boom, expansion started to happen. We call this expansion inflation, which is the universe expanding at an exponential rate, which is faster than the speed of light, which is 186,000 meters per second, which leads to the quarks and gluons forming together to make hydrogen atoms. And then those hydrogen atoms started to fuse together to make helium atoms, which gave off tons of background radiation, which keeps the universe at a constant heat throughout the entire thing, which leads us to nucleosynthesis. Nucleosynthesis is when two nucleuses of two or more atoms fuse together to make new elements, and then at the death of stars, a supernova happens, which is basically a bunch of pressure pushed down upon the atoms, fusing them together, which creates heavier elements such as iron or lithium or whatever is larger than helium, which is basically everything on the periodic table, which leads to the formation of our sun. And then once those elements cool off, they start to form solids, like our Earth. And that leads us into the Big Crunch theory, but I don't have enough time to talk about that. So